Hi everyone, so let's have a look at Tuesday's learning. So you've just heard the video about Yeti and the bird. Let's have a look then at what today we're going to do based on that story. So our learning question today is, can I use adjectives to describe a character? Now we've done lots and lots of work on adjectives and also in your home learning packs. An adjective then, just for a little reminder, is a describing word. They tell you what a noun looks like. So, have a listen to the story. Did you spot any adjectives in that story? I can think of at least 3 that were right at the beginning. Not only though are there words in the story to describe, there's also a picture that can help us to describe. So write down around the adjective box what words you have heard. Well, I heard the word definitely, but use your phonics to help you. The biggest, because he was the biggest Yeti. Oh, he was also though really lonely. Oh, that's a long letter sitting right on the line looking lovely. Have a look and see how many you can fill around your box. Now, when we're talking about adjectives, adjectives can describe different parts of our character. So, for example, if I was to say the Yeti was kind, that would be talking about his personality, what he's like as a person. If I was to say he was really large, that's what size he is. If I was to say he was furry, that's what he feels like. So if I was to touch him, that's what his texture of him would be. So let's have a look then. So we've got kind. So I can tell that because he's smiling. And that's the personality, what he's like as a person. Wide, so the shape or size of the character, because he's got a wide body. And fluffy, so the colour or the texture of our character, because we can tell that he has got fluffy fur. I might also say white. So thinking about our Yeti then, I would like you to have a read of these describing words. And then we are going to decide which part of the character we would put this in. So, let's have a look at some of our words. Kind, cruel, cute, grumpy, large, round, tall, wide, fluffy, white, smooth, pale. So, you might want to cut them out if that helps you. But on the other page is a table for you to put these into to decide. So, I'm going to write them in. You might want to cut them out and glue, but if you can, please try and have a go at writing them. Copy them over for help with your spelling. So, adjectives to describe shape and size. Ooh, so one of the ones I might say is large. So I'll write that first one, using the sheet to help me with my spelling. Adjective to describe colour and texture. Grumpy. Is that deciding? Nope. Let's look for another one. White. So that's a colour. My last box, adjective to describe personality. Tall. Oh, no. Kind. So I'm going to write that in. Now some of you have got a little challenge at the bottom. Can you choose one from each of the characteristics and put it in a sentence? So for example, the Yeti is fluffy. So you might decide to put, so capital letters, start of the sentence, writing at the end of the line, there, finger space. Oh, I'm going to use a capital letter because the Yeti is his name. Finger space is, and I'm going to choose kind. Finger space and tall letters, full stop. Have a go and see how you get on with that too.